Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Latias from the Pokemon series. If you guys want to see more legendary Pokemon, definitely let me know in the comments and I'd love to draw them. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Now to start off with Latias, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to begin here and let's begin by making a line that's just going to come up and then down. Now we're going to make another one that's just going to go down and up. I'm going to curve this line here. Then I'm going to make a skinny oval shape in here for the pupil. For the mouth, let's begin by making a little curved line. Then we're just going to go down and up. Next, to make the head, let's begin by drawing a line that's just going to curve up to here above the eye. Then we're just going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve down here. Now for the ear, we're going to bring this line up and then down and then up and down and kind of curve. And we're going to make another little curve here. Then we're going to bring this line up and down, and then curve to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down with a curve. And then I'm going to bring this line down to about here. We'll make a small curve here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. Next, we're going to curve this line around. And then we're going to start over here on the arm. I'm going to begin by making two curved lines. Then I'm going to put a little line here and a little line here. We'll kind of connect this. Next, let's draw an oval shape. And we'll make 1, 2, and then 3 little claws on there. And then we can just kind of curve this part of the body back to it. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to come up and then down here. And then we can connect this. Next, kind of following this curve, let's bring this line up. Then to make the leg, I'm going to go down and up. Down and up, and then 2 more little points here. I'm going to bring this line in, and we're going to go out and then in here. We're going to make a little curve. Then we're going to make the wings. So let's bring this line out. Make a couple points, and then a little line out and back here. Then a little curve here for the back. Then we'll make this other wing. We'll curve this up and then bring it straight up. Make 2 little points, and then a big point that's going to go up and down. For that other foot, we'll go out and in, out and in, out and in, and then 1 more here. Then for this arm, we'll draw a little curved line. Then we'll make a line that goes out and then comes back towards the body. We'll make another skinny oval. And this time we're just going to do 1 and then 2 claws on there. Now for the markings on here, let's begin at the top of the head. So we're going to bring this line down to here and then come over. And then we're going to bring this to here. Then we're going to come down. We're going to bring this up and then over. Now for the triangle shape on the chest, we're just going to make a line that's going to come up, down, and over. Then we'll make one more, up, down, and over. And there you go. There is your drawing of Latias. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.